In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet from Gmail, a really convenient feature that allows you to effortlessly host video meetings right from your inbox. Whether you're working remotely, attending a virtual event, or just catching up with friends and family, Google Meet integrated with Gmail can make these connections seamless and efficient. To get started, first, open your browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're in your Gmail, you'll notice a little Meet section on the left-hand sidebar. This section is your gateway to starting or joining video meetings. You might see two options here, New Meeting and Join a Meeting. Click on New Meeting to initiate a video call. This opens up several choices. You can start an instant meeting, schedule one in Google Calendar, or get a link to share with others for a future meeting. If you choose to start an instant meeting, a new Google Meet window will open, directly connecting you, and you'll be given a URL that you can share with others who need to join. This is particularly useful for spontaneous meetings without the hassle of pre-scheduling. You can copy this link and send it via chat, email, or any messaging platform you're using. Now, say you've received a meeting URL or code from someone else. This is where the Join a Meeting option comes into play. Simply click on that and enter the meeting code or URL in the field provided, and you'll be right in, ready to connect. While in the meeting, you have several features at your disposal to enhance your interaction. You can mute and unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and use the chat feature to type messages to other participants. Additionally, if you need to share something from your screen, simply click on the Present Now button at the bottom of the screen, where you can either share your entire screen or just a specific window or tab. For those wondering how to manage participants, there's a simple way to admit or deny entry to those joining the meeting. When someone tries to join, you'll receive a pop-up notification allowing you to approve or deny their entry. You also have the power to remove participants if necessary. If security is a concern, rest assured that Google Meet is designed with numerous security measures, protecting both your meetings and your information. Make sure you are familiar with these settings, which you can find in the additional options, often represented by 3 vertical dots in the meeting interface, allowing you to adjust meeting preferences and recording options. This integration of Google Meet with Gmail not only simplifies the process of setting up meetings, but also ensures you stay connected more efficiently. Give it a try, and you'll see how easy it can be to manage video meetings right from your Gmail. Enjoy your meeting experience, and see you next time, where we'll delve into more handy tips and tech guides.